This is just a quick update video on the breadboard Arduino build I've been doing over the last week. I had been using these FTDI Basic breakout boards, and getting the drivers installed for them was a little convoluted. I had to force the operating system to recognize when I used more than one of them, and they show up as different COM port numbers. However, I've recently invested in, just for a couple of pounds off Amazon, these CH340 or 341. Well, the driver version is CH341. I think these are CH340 chips. It's really hard. My eyesight's not great, so I can't see what it says on the chip. It looks like 340G. Yeah, I think these are 340G chips on a CP2102 breakout board. You can find them on Amazon just by searching for CH340 or CP2102, and you can get the drivers just by searching for CH340G.zip. There's a website there. Arduinoed or Arduinoed, Arduined, ARDUINED.eu, and you get the 340G driver there, and it says, do you want to download CH341 ser.zip, which I've already done and extracted. It's an executable, so it installs the drivers itself, and they show up in your operating system. Well, I'm on Windows here, so Windows System 32, folder called drivers, and they are, where are they? There, ch341.sys files. And I didn't have to do anything at all. I simply plugged in the board to the computer. Windows went through its installation process, and they showed up in my device manager, both of them, or either of them, as COM port 6. There. I didn't have to go into properties and install them manually. They show up fine, and more importantly, they show up fine in the Arduino IDE. There it is, COM port 6, and I have a double blink sketch here that I'm just about to upload, and you'll see the activity when I hit upload. So compile it first, just to hurry things along. Hit upload. Double blink, rapid double blink. I'll do that again. So I'm just about to hit upload. You'll see a blue light flashing on the USB board, some erratic red flashes from this guy, and then the program will run. Bingo. I could go through the process of wiring everything up and plugging that one in, but I don't need to. One word of caution though, I got this guy running okay, then swapped things over to make sure he was running, and it didn't work. And the only problem was user error. I had the voltage selector on here set to 3.3 volts. As soon as I changed it to 5 volts, everything showed up fine and uploaded and everything. So happy days. The next thing I'd like to do is have a look at these guys. Where are we? Oh, over here. Now try out these nano boards. They have an ATmega 328p microcontroller, but they also, on the reverse, have the CH340G chip USB-Serial conversion, and they're like £3. How much is that? £3.80. Call it £4. And I have easily spent more than £4 on this guy. I think they were about £2, and the MCU was £6. So it was £8. I know I could get these cheaper. I got these from Cool Components. In future I'm going to do my shopping on Amazon, even though I despise them, because money's tight. And if you're bulk buying as well, you want to keep the cost low. So I'll try these nano boards and see what success I can have with those. Okay, cheerio.